Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, your bank account never quite catches up? Or maybe you've wondered why some people achieve financial freedom while others stay stuck in the same cycle. Here's the truth. They know things about money that no one teaches us in school. Today, I'm sharing 10 unconventional and life-changing insights about money that will help you master the money game. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to not just manage money, but make it work for you. You'll learn the secrets that wealthy people live by but never talk about. And trust me, applying these principles can mean the difference between surviving and achieving true financial freedom. Stay focused and grab a notepad. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Your money is a soldier. Deploy it wisely. Here's an interesting perspective. Every dollar you earn is like a soldier in your financial army. If you spend it recklessly, it's gone. But if you invest it, it fights for you and recruits more soldiers. Think about it. Are you sending your money to fight battles that matter, or are you letting it waste away on things like impulsive online shopping? Your money should work harder than you do. By redirecting even a small portion of your spending into investments, you're building a future where your wealth grows while you sleep. Number 2. Money reveals, doesn't change. Be mindful of who you are becoming as you chase wealth. Because money is a magnifying glass. It doesn't alter who you are, it amplifies your true nature. If you're generous, wealth makes you more giving. If you're insecure, it magnifies those doubts. Like gasoline, money fuels your traits, amplifying strengths or inflaming weaknesses. Stay true to your values and let money enhance, not define your character. Number 3. The Latte Lie. It's not about small sacrifices. You've heard it. Skip your daily coffee and save $1,000 a year. But here's the problem. Cutting small luxuries won't make you rich. What truly moves the needle is managing the big expenses. Consider Julie, who saved $4,000 by downsizing her home and switching to a used car. That one decision gave her more financial breathing room than a decade of skipping lattes ever could. Focus on the big wins. Trimming major expenses creates a ripple effect on your savings and investments. Audit your life for high-cost items like housing, cars, and subscriptions. Ask yourself, can I reduce or eliminate this expense without compromising my quality of life? Number 4. Attract, don't chase. When it comes to wealth, the principle, attract, don't chase, is a game changer. Chasing money often leads to burnout, desperation, and short-term decisions that sabotage long-term success. Instead, focus on becoming the kind of person or business that money naturally flows to through value, skills, and consistency. Chasing often signals lack of strategy, preparation, or worth, and leads to poor financial outcomes. Take actionable steps by improving your skills, building networks, and offering consistent value. Attract wealth by focusing on becoming indispensable rather than desperately seeking it. Chasing wealth is like running after a butterfly. It flutters away. But by creating a lush garden of skills and value, it comes to you naturally. The next one is going to help you build wealth faster. Taxes, the hidden wealth killer. You work hard for your money, but did you know that taxes can eat away up to 40% of your income? The wealthy minimize taxes legally, so why shouldn't you? Let's take example of Emma. She discovered that by investing through tax-advantaged accounts, she saved thousands of dollars in taxes while growing her wealth. Understanding the tax system isn't just for accountants. It's a critical part of your financial strategy. Learn about tax-saving opportunities. Watch videos or consult a tax advisor and optimize your financial plan for maximum efficiency. Number 6. Plant seeds of wealth. Wealth doesn't sprout overnight. It grows when you consistently plant small financial habits like saving and investing that compound over time. As Benjamin Graham emphasizes in The Intelligent Investor, the individual investor should act consistently as an investor and not as a speculator. Too many people dream of overnight success, but ignore the daily habits that truly build wealth. Instead of chasing risky schemes, think of your money as seeds. Every dollar saved or invested is a step toward a flourishing financial future. If you're not planting seeds now, what kind of harvest can you expect in the years to come? Take actionable steps by setting up automated contributions to investments, diversifying income streams, and educating yourself about money. Number 7. Never underestimate the power of a side hustle. A side hustle isn't just extra cash. It's a safety net, a learning opportunity, and often the gateway to financial independence. A single paycheck can be limiting, while a side hustle can unlock opportunities for wealth creation. Think about it. If your main job suddenly disappears, what's your plan B? A side hustle can be that lifeline, building wealth without sacrificing stability. Sarah Blakely started selling fax machines by day and worked on Spanx at night, eventually becoming a self-made billionaire. Identify a skill or hobby you can monetize. Start small with platforms like Etsy or Upwork, and reinvest earnings into your growth. Number 8. Spend less, earn more. This is the golden rule of wealth building, yet many people struggle to master this balance. Focusing on earning without controlling spending is like trying to fill a leaking bucket. It's futile. The power lies in aligning these two forces, cutting unnecessary expenses while finding ways to grow your income. Most people sabotage their wealth by chasing lifestyle inflation, spending more as they earn more, which traps them in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Track every dollar you spend, identify areas to cut back, and use those savings to invest in skill building or passive income sources. Spending less is like patching the leaks in your boat, while earning more is adding power to the engine. Both are vital if you want to reach the shores of financial freedom faster. Number 9. Financial independence isn't an age, it's a number. Who said you need to wait until 65 to retire? Too often, society links financial freedom to retirement age, 65 or older, when in reality, it's about achieving a specific wealth target that sustains your lifestyle indefinitely. Financial independence isn't about age. It's about having enough assets to cover your expenses indefinitely. As Vicki Robin highlights in Your Money or Your Life, financial independence isn't about retiring early. It's about having enough money to live the life you want. If you knew your number, could you retire at 35 or 40? The truth is, most people don't even calculate what they need to break free. They just work blindly until the clock says they can stop. Calculate your financial independence number, optimize expenses, and invest strategically in growth assets. Financial independence is like a marathon, not about when you start running, but how efficiently you pace yourself to reach the finish line. Number 10. Generosity makes you richer. Finally, here's a paradox. Giving makes you richer. Studies show that generosity improves happiness and even financial success. Why? Because it shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. After donating 10% of her income to charity, my friend found himself more motivated to earn and manage his money wisely. Money is a tool, not an end goal. Sharing your wealth creates opportunities and connections you can't buy. Set aside a small percentage of your income for giving. Start with what you can afford and grow from there. Mastering money isn't about luck. It's about learning, applying, and staying consistent. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more game-changing insights. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep winning.